Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best aprons for women that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Syntus 2-pack adjustable bib apron Waterdrop. If you're looking for an inexpensive option, this 2-pack from Syntus offers dual soft polyester bib aprons that are easy to clean and fits most adults. The neck and waist straps are adjustable, and 2 large front pockets can hold all of your cooking or baking essentials. This 2-pack of aprons offers affordable flexibility for a professional baker or chef to purchase for the staff, or simply a hobbyist cook who wants a backup apron when the other one is dirty. The unisex silhouette makes it suitable for men and women alike, so you don't have to buy 2 different aprons if you and your spouse enjoy cooking together. These aprons are machine washable and available in 12 colors. This waterproof bib apron for the kitchen comes with an adjustable neck strap to give you a custom fit. Its ties are long enough to wrap around anyone. 2 pockets on the front allow you to keep extra stuff such as your cell phone, receipt cards, and meat thermometer. You can wash it in a machine as the fabric is not prone to shrinking. It is available in different colors, so take your pick. As well as extra long tie strings for easy adjusting. To top it all off, these aprons are semi-waterproof, which makes keeping them clean super easy. Number 2, 12-pack bib apron, Unisex red apron bulk. Sold by the dozen, this pack of bib aprons is made of spun polyester that is lightweight and breathable. It is designed for use in commercial places and is tough and durable. The natural material is free of harmful chemicals. It comes with hemmed edges, so it lasts a long time. The apron is easily washable in a machine and available in multiple colors. Packing orders for catering. I wear it on the line all the time. For our Peking duck taco, I cure the duck for 24 hours, confit it for 6 hours, pick the meat, finish the duck on the flat top, adding plum sauce, ginger, cabbage slaw, pickled oyster mushrooms, sesame seeds, all of which get splattered onto the apron. Especially the duck fat. I wore it while cooking on my food truck, too deep frying, getting splattered by the steam tables, and cleaning the truck and its deep fryers. But I just wash it in the machine and stick it in the dryer. And its aprons are loved by home and professional bakers. The aprons come in a variety of unique patterns, colors, and lengths. Some are crossback and some are bistro style, but all are adjustable and fit most people. They're lightweight, breathable, and made from 100% cotton and linen, and they are sure to keep your favorite baker cool near a hot oven. Number 6, 12-pack professional bib aprons. Want to look like a professional chef? Try this classic white apron. When a chef's apron retains its white color, it means that the food has been prepared with care and cleanliness in mind. Also, white does not absorb heat easily, so you may feel less hot in it. Made of ring-spun polyester, it comes with hemmed edges that make it extremely durable. It does not shrink and is washable in a machine. This handmade, vibrantly patterned apron is lined with thick cotton twill and is professionally overlocked to prevent fraying, so you know it's going to last. Plus, it has a conveniently placed pocket, also made of cotton twill, should you want to have somewhere to put your phone or kitchen utensils. There are several colorful patterns to choose from, including brown diamond balagan, pictured, orange nyali, red brown kente, and more. When cleaning, make sure to either wash by hand or in the washing machine with similar colors. It features 4 pockets and a kitchen towel loop, which could also be used to hold your favorite pair of grilling tongs. The unisex apron comes in 6 colors and features an easy-to-use. Number 4, HOMWE adjustable bib apron with pockets. Here is another unisex apron that anyone can use. Its black and white pinstripe design is simple and classy. It is made of cotton and polyester and features a large front pocket to keep small items. You can safely wash it in a machine with absolutely no worries about fading or shrinking. Its large neck strap fits most people, while its 40-inch long ties can accommodate the biggest of bellies without any trouble. This apron is made from breathable cotton, which is sure to keep you cool while you stand over a hot grill. It features 4 pockets and a kitchen towel loop, which could also be used to hold your favorite pair of grilling tongs. The unisex apron comes in 6 colors and features an easy-to-use, quick-release buckle, as well as adjustable straps. It's a stylish and functional apron. It protected our clothes from water and holy powder almost completely. The exposed areas were concentrated to our armpits, which don't typically see too much splash action during regular use. The pockets are well placed and appropriately sized for a variety of items. The exposed areas were concentrated to our armpits, which don't typically seeing too much splash action during regular use. The pockets are well placed and appropriately sized for a variety of items, including kitchen towels and cooking utensils. Available in 5 colors, we love that you also have the option to add an embroidery of up to 10 letters and numbers. Number 5 Dye Buffalo Check Kitchen Collection Chef Apron. This bib-style apron from Dye is an ideal option for a home cook or hobbyist baker. It features adjustable neck and waist straps and one large front pocket to hold utensils or other cooking essentials. Made with 100% cotton, this apron is soft and breathable. While the apron is machine washable, be sure to wash it with cold water on a gentle cycle and then tumble dry on low. Cotton can shrink significantly and it could ruin the apron if it's washed inappropriately. Due to this apron's affordability and the 8 colored plaid options, owning several of these so you always have one handy or ready for a visitor to your home to use is a definite possibility. This is a one-size-fits-most apron and it measures 32 inches wide and 38 inches tall. The manufacturer also offers an embroidery option for a customized look and feel. This 2-pack of aprons offers affordable flexibility for a professional baker or chef to purchase for the staff or simply a hobbyist cook who wants a backup apron when the other one is dirty. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.